In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up the Aircall and Monday.com integration. Setting up this integration is a straightforward process, but there are a few specific steps to follow that will ensure everything is connected properly. Let's dive into it. First, you'll want to start by navigating to the Monday.com website. If you haven't already, open up your preferred web browser and type in monday.com. Once you arrive at the site, it's time to log in. Look for the login button and click on it. If you're using Google to keep your life organized, you can streamline your login process by clicking on Google and then selecting your Google account. It's a seamless way to access your Monday.com account without the hassle of remembering yet another password. Once you've successfully logged in, head over to your board. This will be your main workspace where you'll see your boards listed. You probably know your way around here, so just go to the one where you want the integration to work. Now, glance towards the upper right corner of your screen where you'll find the Marketplace button. Go ahead and click on it. The Marketplace is a fantastic resource within Monday.com, offering various apps that can enhance your productivity by integrating other tools you already love. In the search bar at the top, type in Aircall. This search will pull up the Aircall app, which will allow you to integrate your calling needs directly with Monday.com. Once it appears on the list, go ahead and click on Aircall to get more details about the app. After you're on the Aircall page, you'll see an Install App option. This is your next step. Click on that and you'll be asked to specify where you want the app to be available. Choose All Workspaces to ensure that the app will be accessible across any workspace you might need it in. After selecting that, proceed by clicking Install. Now, when the installation process prompts you to choose a workspace, pick the one where you'd like to set up the integration. If you only have one workspace, that'll be an easy choice, but if not, just consider where this functionality will be most beneficial. Once your workspace is selected, click Add App. And that's it. You've successfully set up the Aircall integration with Monday.com. This added functionality will help streamline your call management, connecting the calls you take through Aircall with the organization and project management excellence of Monday.com. If you run into any trouble, don't panic. Just revisit each step or check out additional resources available in both the Aircall and Monday.com support centers. Thanks for following along with me today, and enjoy your newfound productivity boost.